Hi,
Hi,
please introduce yourself.
I'm Habiba Amr. I'm a senior counsel at Amr Partners Law Firm. Um, that's it.
Thank you for coming. How would you assess the structure, moderation, and overall effectiveness of the panel discussions?
Well, it was actually special for me because it was my first time moderating a panel, so I was a bit hesitant, a bit anxious, but everything went well. It was very cool to have two women leaders on the panel. It was an all-women panel, and it was cool. And the topic we were discussing is of paramount importance. We were focusing on a role that's like a pillar of every law firm, the role of the managing partner, especially with all the rising client, lawyers' expectations, and especially with, everything that's changing in the world, technology, how you perceive growth within a firm, how to deal with the lawyers who definitely have different expectations. I mean, it's a very critical role in any law firm, and I believe that if this role is like shaking, it affects the law firm, even if the caliber inside the law firm is like you have excellent lawyers. So that's why I believe the topic was very interesting. Fatma and Olga made it. They answered all the questions very smoothly, and they were really, it was a nice vibe on the panel. And I think the audience enjoyed it too. So I'm satisfied and happy with it.
What has stood out the most to you about today's event?
Well, today the event is different because, when we gather, it's usually to focus on legal topics. And today is different. I mean, I felt like I'm just going out with friends, talking, connecting. It was not, very work. We didn't have, this work feeling. So that was nice. The venue is amazing. It's very cozy. It's calm, it's relaxing. I mean, everything about the day was very, very nice.
In your view, what makes events like this valuable for the legal community?
I believe our profession is all about networking and connecting. If you don't connect, if you don't have a strong base among the other lawyers and firms, you can't do it alone. You have to. It takes two to dance, it's the same. Because if you're not on good terms with other practitioners in the field, it makes your job so hard, so hard. So that's, I believe, something that's achieved through the law event. It adds to the legal community in a way I'm not even sure Ziad had imagined at first, It's a very, very, very smart step. The events, they're all very inspiring, remarkable, very important. Makes you connect with people, put faces on names. Maybe you people you never met. For instance, the Russian team today, I worked with them, but I've never seen them in person. So yeah, it gives you this human vibe. So yeah, that's why I like to attend the events, and that's what I find very important too.
You get the human side of
Exactly.
the profession.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Habiba. It was great having you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Thank
Thank you so much.